gotta make sure it's perfect. I'm trying to get this done in one go. Line it up. All right. It's lined up. Now watch the magic, yeah? Watch the magic like it's Orlando. Watch the magic. It's like that. Tight. Get the air a little bit. So you can get fucking move. As you can see, tires in. Damn, look at the motherfucker. Ladies, too. This is another thing, too. My dumb ass waited so long till then that my tires pop. But just like this one, I'm finna go get this one switched soon as I'm done. I was playing around too much. Now look at me. Using energy I didn't have to use. All right, I'll be back. All right, right now the easy process. Fuck are you? Get the rest of the lug nuts off. Switch the tire and put. It's basically the same way you took it off. It's the same way you put it back on. Ain't nothing too special. I be trying to do this trick all the time. I can never do it. Yeah, the white mechanics, they'll spin this shit one time. Oh no! Look, this whole shit come on. Make sure you put those in a spot where you can find them. You don't want to lose the lug nuts. You know, did all that job for no reason. That one was a little bit better. Yo, this shit crack your knee too when you doing this. Oh my god, you need a motherfucking PTO, paid time off, nigga. Look at me trying to show off. This shit is not working at all. Yeah, you see that? One good turn. Watch this. One good turn. One good turn. One good turn. Don't even bother me. Don't even mind me. I'm fucking trash. Alright. I'm surprised I ain't fucked anything up under my car. I ain't been outside all weekend, Chad. We was inside for fucking WrestleMania weekend. That's why I would have been had this done yesterday if I peeped it. Look at this shit. That's crazy. I can't even call myself a man with tires like this. What is wrong with me? Damn, hold on, look at this one. Hey, you call yourself a man? Chat, but you know, definitely call myself a man because I always keep spare tires for moments like this. How can I be? Then you get, can y'all see? Man, I don't give a fuck if y'all can see, bro. Y'all already know what I'm doing. I'm trying to get this shit done and go to work. All right, get one flush all the way on before you lower the car. Yep, get one flush all the way on. Then put the lug nuts back on where they go. This is a 5. Oh my god, fucking tire phone. 19. Yeah, this is 19 millimeter lug nuts, chat. They got different size lug nuts for each car, so you just got to make sure. That's why I keep a full weight.